Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw how to design the registration form. Right now here, if we are go to type gym, if you look at the gym plan, right here, in our last class we saw the registration form, right? So here we will see the plan and price, all the stuff, right? In this tutorial, I am going to teach how to register the new member, right? It's very simple. So let me go to the registration form. So here this is the registration form. So here, if you have filled all the fields, relationship, plan, all the stuff you are selected, you have filled the field and click save button, it goes to the on click method, which is a validate, right? So it goes below the function validate. Validate function, first we have to check whether the form is valid or not. The form ID, I have put it as a customer. You can give any name over here. Form ID. If the form ID is valid, it will be checked whether the form is available or not. So this form is available, so it's valid. After that, what to do is, after that you have to create 3 different variables: URL, data, and methods. After that, if is true mean it goes to the registration page. So add registration.php. It will be serious all the form data of the customer form, right? All the form data along with the post method, right? Now here I am going to go to create the add registration page. So I just copy this one. Here right click, new file, paste it, .php, right? Page has been created successfully. Now what I am going to do is here, I just go to this one. I just copy this one and paste it over here, right? Now here what I did here is, I don't know this all the stuff. I have a DB connection, so I just, this is a DB, it's a get plan, right? This DB, include DB, I just copy and paste it over here, right? All the connections are there. This include file. First I have established a database connection. After that, this all the values. Okay, but you have serialized this complete form, registration form, complete registration form. So all the form data should be, when you click the button, save button, it's come to this page, add registration.php. So this is the field values, right? Member number, NIC number, participant name, DOB, date of join, emergency contact person, relationship, all the stuff are coming to this page, right? And it's assigned to the relevant variables like this here, right? After that, what I'm going to do is, here I'm creating the variable query. Here you have to write an insert code, insert into members. Here I'm going to store which database? Members table. I'm going to insert the data into the members table. So members table, these are the relevant fields are there. So here we have to all the fields name, I have to put it here. All the fields name, starting from member ID to employee number. So we have declared all the fields, values, all the form values setting to the relevant variables like this. The variables we have to put it here, right? This is the stuff we have to do, right? After this is the very important stuff we have to do. Okay, if all the things are correct, MySQL query, the connection and query, all those things are okay. If it is 1, so first we have to get the last insert ID here. After that, we have to check the plan. We have to, the query 1 is a query 2. We have to set it the NS query. Select all from plan, where the plan ID, right? What is the plan ID? What is the plan you are choosing here? What is the plan you are choosing here? This ID should be coming here, and here we have to check. You have to check, right? So here it will be calculate the expiry date. Okay, what is the, if you are selected as a 3 months, it is calculate from today date, and it will be calculated next 3 months. Okay, if you are selected as 1 year, today's date is July 28. It calculates from today to next 1 year. Okay, the plan should be calculated like this. This is a simple code if you have to return to calculate this, that kind of, this is current date and what is the date you are choosing. Okay, here this will be calculated. This is simple code you have to return. So insert into month, here we have to write the code, current date, expiry date, this is a month calculation part. If it is all the stuff, it will be saved in the table, right? This simple one we have to take it. This how we have saved in the database. So don't worry about that. Here, this how here time zone, all the stuff are there. Today the sign, this is Sri Lanka, Colombo. If you are India, you can put it India. This is the month. This is a month. So here the date, this is expiry date, all the stuff are there. This is the current date, the expiry date. So this is how we have calculated this one. That's how we have calculate the stuff. So here, if you are go and check, here when you are register the member, the pay date is this, expiry date is this. So if you are paid today date, it will be calculated. If you are select the plan as 3 months, it will be calculate plan from today to next 3 months. Okay, from today to next 3 months. Okay, so that's how I have do the programming. This is simple calculation part we have did it, right? Okay, this is simple stuff we have did. Let me see whether it's working fine or not. Let's save all. Go to, this is the registration form. Press enter key, member number, something number. I just give this number, something like that. Participant name, James. Date of join, today date, emergency contact person, and relationship, mother, plan, 6-month plan, phone number, something like that, emergency phone number, something like that. This is the gender, male. Hit save button, registration successfully. So go and check the members table. James here is successfully saved in the database, right? It's very simple. It's successfully saved in the database. It is very simple. Okay, it's successfully saved in here. At the same time, plan table here, it added the data. Okay, plan ID 6, 1 year. Here all the stuff are there. This is 6 months. Here, this one. This is the plan. This is a plan. This is all the stuff are plan. This is the member, right? Here this is the expiry date, so not a plan, this is expiry date. Here the plan ID, say expiry date, all the stuff are there. Okay, very simple. Here this is the data we are showing, member ID, here plan ID, date, today date, calculate the one, calculate date here 6 months. From the today date, here it will be calculate the 7 month here, 7 here. So all the stuff are calculated successfully, right? Very simple. I hope you guys understood the things well. If you have any doubts on this, you can ask me anytime. Here this is transaction also there. ID, this is transaction. Okay, all the pay date, expiry date, all the stuff are saved. Okay, so here this I mentioned the code very simple way. It will be saved the payment table. Here's a payment table. You can check the code. The plan, all the plan will be calculated and it will be saved under the payment table. What's the payment? Okay, here so choose your plan. Okay, if your plan you have choose 600 you have made, you have to do it here. Very simple. Okay, I hope you guys you understand the stuff. I'll be getting in touch with in my next tutorial. This all the source code I provide in my website after complete all the tutorials. Okay, I have another 2 or 3. I have another 2 or 3 part left to complete this tutorial, gym management system using PHP step-by-step tutorial. After complete the tutorial, all the source code I provide in my website. You will be able to download and you have to put it in your web project. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.